Hi, in this tutorial I'm going to show you a really simple method to delete section break in WPS Office. So if you would like to delete it, you need to go to Home tab, and after that you need to click on this one icon. Then we need to click on Show Hide Paragraphs Marks. I need to click on it. Then section break should be now visible here. So you need to click double time on it, and then it should be selected. Now you need to click backspace to delete it, and how you see, section break has been successfully deleted from the page. Remember that you can find different types of section. Sometimes another types may be inserted. So for example, let's go to Insert, let's go to Breaks, and here we can select Continue Section Break. If I will click on it, you may see here now different section break, but the method to delete it is the same. We need to click double time on it, and we need to click backspace. So now remember to go back to Home tab. Let's click on this one icon and uncheck this one option, Show Hide Paragraph Marks. Now you can continue to edit your document. So it is how it works. If I helped you, remember to like this video and subscribe my channel, and please let me know in comment if it solves your problem.